Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2021 Nissan Armada? How can you find the right fuse when troubleshooting electrical issues? In this guide, we'll explore the 2021 Nissan Armada fuse box diagram and location to help you easily identify and replace fuses. Engine compartment fuse box 1. The engine compartment fuse box typically contains fuses and relays responsible for critical components such as the engine, alternator, and cooling systems. It is usually located near the battery or close to the engine itself for easy access. Engine compartment fuse box 2. The engine compartment fuse box contains fuses and relays that manage critical systems like the engine, ignition, and charging components. It is usually positioned near the battery or engine for quick access and maintenance. Additional fuse holder. The additional fuse holder provides extra circuit protection for specific electrical components. It is located in the engine compartment near the passenger side. The holder is secured with a cover to protect the fuses from dirt and moisture. Relay box. Relay box houses multiple relays that control high-power electrical components like fans and fuel pumps. It is located in the engine compartment for easy access. The box is covered to protect relays from heat, moisture, and debris. Passenger compartment fuse panel. The passenger compartment fuse panel protects electrical circuits for interior components like lights, power windows, and climate control. It is located under the dashboard for easy access. The panel is covered to shield fuses from dust and accidental damage. Passenger compartment relays. Passenger compartment relays control various electrical functions like power windows, wipers, and lighting. They are housed within the fuse panel under the dashboard.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.